Find the best portable air compressor for car at Amazon. We analyzed consumer reviews to find the top-rated products. Find out which product high scored and buy. I am going to review top 10 best portable air compressor for car on the market. 10. JUMTOP 12 volts portable compressor pump for car. Space-saving design. Super LED lights. Fast and powerful. Multifunction design. 9. AUTLEAD C5 auto tire pump for car. Fast inflating and efficient to use. 3-inch -1 LED light. Automatic shut-off feature. Backed with a warranty of 2 years. 8. CREMAX portable tire inflator with digital LCD display. Fits well in your truck. Wide range of uses. Emergency lighting for safety. Affordable price. 7. AUTLEAD tire inflator with digital gauge for car. Strong power and fast installation. Portable design. Long cord and equipped with emergency lighting. Reliable safety. 6. Power 12 volts tire inflator for cars. Fast and powerful. Organized and neat. Comes with an automatic shut-off feature. Affordably priced. 5. JOYROOM portable air compressor with pressure gauge. It has multiple uses. Bright LED flashlight. The pressure gauge is easy to read. Automatic shut-off feature. 4. TEROMAS Air Compressor Pump with digital display, yellow. Strong power and fast inflation. Digital display and LED lighting. Space-saving design. Multi-purpose design. 3. AutoVirazh heavy-duty portable air compressor. Comes with a carrying case. Powerful and efficient to use. It comes with a long power cord. Versatile design. 2. Kensun portable air compressor for car. Multi-purpose design. Easy to read. Built to last. Takes a short time to inflate. 1. Zeyee cordless air pump for car. Backed with a warranty of 1 year. Multi-purpose design. Fast inflating design. Easy to use. Thanks for watching. You can find links, price and description to these products in the description box. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.